Do you have a photo with low quality or an old photo that needs restoration? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low quality photos and the best image restoration app that also has an AI generator to generate images and many more amazing features. The name of the app we will use in this video is HitPaw FotorPea, and this app has many features that you can see. It has image upscale, face swap, image restoration, AI generator, text, and many more. But we are going to be talking about this image upscale, and we are also going to be talking about the AI generator, and we are also going to be talking about the single portrait. Because of time, we are not going to be reviewing all the features of this app, but you can also try it when you are free or when you want to edit your own photos. You can try out all these features. But because I don't want to waste your time, we are going to be talking about just 4 features. So this image upscale, you can use it to upscale the image quality, and this face swap to, let's say, to swap faces and the rest. Image restoration, this image restoration, if you have an old photo of your parents that you want to restore, like you want to restore the quality of that old photo, you can use this image restoration. So let's click on this image upscale first, and once we click on it, you can see this photo has appeared. Your folder is just going to appear. Then once your folder has shown on your screen, just click the photo that you want to upscale. So we are going to click on this photo, and I'm just going to click open. You will see that the app is just going to be loading. If you zoom in this photo, you are going to see that this photo looks very blur. The original photo is looking very blur. So once you upload it into the app, you just have to wait for a few seconds, and after a few seconds you will see that the upload process is just going to be done and the enhancing process is just going to be completed. So once the enhancing process reach 100%, you are going to see the magical effect of this app. And once the enhancing process is complete, just look at the amazing results. You can see the before. Let's zoom in the photo. This is the before and this is the after. You can see how the photo is looking, and the photo is looking amazing. You can also do some settings at this area if you like, but there's no need to do any other settings here because our photo is already looking perfect. So you can use this HitPaw FotorPea, the image upscale feature. You can use it to upscale the image. Remember, this is the original photo here, which is the before. The original photo looks very blur. So once we upload this photo into HitPaw FotorPea, you can see that HitPaw has helped us to sharpen the photo, and the photo is now looking better. So you can export it. You can just click on export, and it will help you to export the photo. You can select your folder, which is this HitPaw FotorPea folder. You can select it, then you can export your photo. So let's just go back and let's click on back. Then let's click on home and let's cancel this thing. So we are going to see this current file and its results will not be retained. So we are just going to click yes. And once we click yes, we are going to go to the single portrait area. Remember, we talked about this image upscale just now. So we are going to click on single portrait. And once we click on it, let's just click on it again. And once we click on it, we are going to select this other photo, and I'm just going to click open. The reason I selected this photo is because the photo quality is looking bad. just look at the photo quality. You will see that the quality is very bad. And this our app, or this our AI photo editing app, will help us to improve the quality of this photo. The reason this photo looks like this is because I uploaded it to Facebook multiple times. I wanted to reduce the image quality, and I wanted to use this bad image quality for this tutorial. So you are going to see the amazing effect of this HitPaw FotorPea. So we are just going to allow this enhancing area to load, and once it has loaded completely, you are going to see the amazing results. So it's currently at 96%, okay, and it is done. And let's just zoom in the photo, and let's zoom in the photo. You can see the before, this is the after, this is the before, and this is the after. Just look at this area. Look at the left hand area of your screen. You are going to see the before, which is this area here. This is the before. And if we click on this other photo, this is the after. You can see the amazing results. The before photo looks very bad. You can see the image quality is looking bad for the before, but the after is looking very clear. Look at the after. It looks amazing. Just look at the effect. So you can use this app to make your photo look perfect. If the photo quality is very bad, you can improve the quality using this amazing photo editing app. Then we are just going to click on home, but you can also do other settings that you like. You can use other settings. You can click on any other things here to add more settings. Let's say you want animation model, you can click on it. You can also denoise model. You can click on it to remove the noise and every other things. So I'm just going to click on home, and let's click yes for this. HitPaw FotorPea also have an AI photo editor. You can use this AI photo editor to retouch your photos, and they also have a background remover. You can see that the app has a background remover. So once you click on this background remover, you can select your photos. Let's select this specific photo, and once I select it, I'm just going to allow it to load. And once it has loaded completely, you can see the amazing results. Let's look at the amazing results. Just look at what has happened to the photo. It has changed the background for us. You can see that you can select any background. You can select black, you can select red, you can select green. You can even select these other colors of background. You can see this external background. You can select the wood background. Let's just allow it to load a little bit. Okay, the wood background has not yet downloaded. We have to first download the wood background. So let's just select this wood background. You can see that it has applied in the photo, and this is why I love this HitPaw FotorPea. You can use it to remove the background. You can use it to upscale your photo. You can use it to retouch your photos. You can use it to do many things in your photos, and they have thousands of background that you can use. They even have this graffiti. Let's download this graffiti. You are going to see the download symbol below the background. So once you download it, you can see that it will just apply on the photo. And once we are done, we are just going to click home, and let's go and try other features of HitPaw FotorPea app. And I'm just going to click yes, and we have gone back to the home page. So because of time, we are not going to be talking about many of the features. And the next feature that we're going to be talking about is the AI generator, which is the last feature that we're going to be talking about. So I'm just going to click on this AI generator now to open it. You can use this AI generator to generate image. So let's click delete for these previous images that we generated. And once you open the AI generator, you are going to see text to image, and you are going to see image to image. So we are going to be using text to image for this video, and you are going to see model, which is add template. So we are just going to click on add model. You are going to see template and the rest. You are going to see many other things. So for this template, we are just going to select this specific template because we need the app to use this template in order to create a perfect image for us. Then we are going to go under the prompts. Under this prompt, you can see where they type in describe what you want. So I'm just going to paste this prompt here, which is a photographer in a photo shoot with a beautiful model. You can also type anything you like. I'm just going to click generate and let's allow it to load. You can see that it is loading. It is showing creating a photographer in a photo shoot with a beautiful lady inside a studio. And let's wait for a few seconds and you will see that it will load complete and show us all the photos that it has generated for us. You can see the amazing results. Just look at the amazing results. Look at all the photos that it creates for us. Remember, the prompt I used was create a photographer in a photo shoot with a beautiful lady inside a studio. And we use this image template so the app can know what it can create for us. Just let's click on it. You can see the amazing results. This is the first photo. This is the second photo. This is the third photo. And this is the fourth photo. This is exactly what I wrote inside this prompt that the app helped us to create. Just look at the amazing results. And once you are done, you can save it. And let's just go back. You can click save to save all the photos. You can just click on this area. You can see this save area and it will help you to save the photos. And once you have saved it, you can go back to home. And there are also other amazing features of the app, like this text. If you don't like the text of your image, like the text is looking blur, you can use this to improve the quality of that text and make it to look more clear. You can also edit group portrait quality. You can make the quality to look better. If you have a lover photo, you can use this to change the quality of the photo. And an anime, you can use this to increase the quality of the anime. And if you have an interior design, you can use this to improve the quality. And there are many other amazing features of the app. So you can download this app using the link in the description of this video. If you click the link in the description of this video, you can download the app for free and you can also try it out. Remember, you can download the app for free and you can try it out. And trust me, if you download this app, you don't need any other app again, or you don't need any other tool to help you to improve the quality of your image. I recommend this app 100%. And once you click the link in the description of this video, it will take you to HitPaw FotorPea website and you can see the website. You can see try it for free. You can click on download and it will take you to the download page where you can download the amazing photo editing app. And we are done with this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If this video was very helpful to you, subscribe for more videos, turn on notifications so YouTube will notify you when I upload a new video, and leave a like to help the channel out.